young metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. This particular unit that I am wearing is coming from the Braid factory, and this is a Nigerian-based black-owned business. This is a handmade box braid unit, and do y'all not see how natural? Like, come on now. Do y'all not see how natural these braids are? Like, first and foremost, I've gotten asked for the past couple days, when did I go get my hair braided? How long did it take? And I'm like, it's a wig, you guys. And they're like, no, that's gotta be legit. What's going on? It looks too real. It looks too everything. And it's like, I agree, it definitely is. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is their Pamella unit. This is a 13 by 4. Like I said, it's a 13 by 4 box braid unit. The rest of the hair is actually on a cap. Very comfortable. I'm going to say that. A very comfortable unit. Very natural looking. Mine is glued down. I will say this. Any box braid wig that you get, you're going to have to glue that thing down. Like, it's inevitable. You have to glue it down just for it to make sense. I've been in mine for the last 3 days, and I think, as a matter of fact, it's probably been longer than 3 days, but I've been in mine for a minute, and I can honestly tell you, this actually feels like real box braids. I've never experienced box braids, but if I did, it'll possibly feel like this. Do y'all not see, like, that lace? Like, that lace is so undetectable. I did not wear this up, but there's a great possibility I'll probably be wearing this unit in Miami next month. And you guys will probably see me wear it in a couple cute little hairstyles. This was just me testing it out. I really love this unit. First of all, the owner of the Braid factory, she is so sweet, very communicative. She hit me up, asked me did I want to do a review for them, and honestly and truly, I actually fell in love with this wig as soon as I got it, as soon as I tried it on, and I definitely will be copying more wigs from them. If you want to know how to purchase this unit will be, along with links, everything will be located in the description box. Also, my Tame Raiders, I got you guys a little promo code, you know, get a little coins off. So if you use Tame10, you will get 10% off of your unit. Doesn't matter which unit, you'll get 10% off of your unit with the Braid factory. Other little tidbits, I will say this. So with this being a hand done wig, like a handmade wig, I will say this. If you were not used to a lot of hair, it is a lot of hair, but it is braided. So it is a little heavy. So if you're not used to heavy hair, just be mindful that this might be a little bit heavy, but I do believe it, like, you can make it to the density that you want. I believe you can. Do not fully take me there on saying that. But other than that, I just think it looks very believable. This is definitely ready for spring, summer. Well, not spring, because spring is damn near past. This is definitely ready for summertime. Very nice, very cute, especially for the girls that do not want to go spend thousands of dollars. And I say thousands of dollars because that's what it feels like to me. But you don't want to spend like so much money on box braids, and you want to be in your, your flowy units and within the next couple weeks. So this was actually perfect for me. I love it. I cannot wait to see what else they have, because I really want to do more of their units, and I hope they let me. Baby, y'all, I'm sold. I really don't have anything bad. If this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.